So as you guys can see behind me, we got the tires in. So I'm probably in this video, they're going to be mounted and installed on the car. So that's really exciting. So stay tuned for that. Been waiting these for a little bit. I found the right size that I wanted, fine brand and everything. So yeah, we'll dive in. I'll show you what sizes I got and what kind of tire I got right now. So with the size of my wheels, I wanted to go for a 275/40 and a 255/40. So it'll fit the 9-inch wide wheel in the front, 9.5-inch wide wheel in the back. With that, I got these Riken Raptor ZR. They're all season, high performance tires, and they were super budget friendly. So I'm excited to see how these turn out. It had great reviews on Tire Rack, and they seemed like they're gonna be a good buy. The tread pattern on these is really cool, and they're gigantic wheels, at least much bigger than what I had previously. Just so you can see as a test, this is next to the 9.5-inch wheel, so they'll be fine, they'll fit real nice, and I think they're gonna look great on there, and they're gonna fill out that rear wheel arch. We're gonna have a big tire on the rear, big tire on the front. These are the same thing, just a Riken Raptor, 255/40, 17. So yeah, I'm gonna load these up in the Jeep. We're gonna take them over to the tire shop, get these mounted on the car. Oh, and one more thing I got, new valve stem TPMS sensors, but those are random. So let's go to the tire shop. Beautiful day out.
One eternity later.
All right, so it's been about an hour. I dropped the wheels off and now I'm just going to pick them up. The tire shop is literally like 2 minutes down the street from me. I live in a pretty small town, so tire shop is right down the street, which is kind of cool. So what we're gonna do is just go pick them up. Hopefully everything went all right, and pick back up in a second. Woo! All right, wheels are on. Back home. These are some big tires. Wow, all right. So everything turned out well. All mounted up, should be balanced and everything. So now all we gotta do is stick them on the car. Sitting nice. Just gotta lower it down now. Hope everything fits. All right, guys, here it is. Wheels are on. It's lowered down to the ground, and I think it looks pretty perfect. So in the rear, there should be plenty of space to fit. Shouldn't see any issues there. The front, I am a little concerned about. It's really close. Like, it's for sure gonna rub on the inner fender well, but we might have to pull these guys out a little bit more. Taking it over to the other side, pretty much the same thing. You can really see the fitment there. Sorry. So you can see the fitment right there. It is pretty good. The fender flares came in handy to fit those bigger tires in the rear. And the fronts also look really nice. You can see right there that the fitment is really great, tire fitment wise. So this by no means like super stancy or anything, but it's definitely like a little more aggressive track stance, I guess you would call it. Another thing I think is really cool is how you can kind of see the tires now between the side skirt and the fender flare. I think that's really cool. And of course, in the rear, you get that super meaty tire stance back there as well. So I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think I'm gonna pull it out. Definitely excited to take it for a drive and see how the tires perform. Obviously I'm gonna have to see if it rubs and everything, but this looks awesome.
A few inches later.
Kind of a weird little break there. Wheels are still fine. I had to come in and do a little bit more cutting on the inside of the wheel well. It was rubbing on the rear on part of the bumper or fender that I didn't cut, that I knew I should have cut when I did this, but you know, it's whatever. It's fixed now, so that's good. Another thing is, I thought the fronts were gonna be fine, but they do rub pretty bad. I talked to someone who has about the same size tires. I'm going to need to pull or roll my fenders a little bit more and also raise the front a little bit, because I checked, the back should be fine. I might have to raise it a tiny bit. The fronts I need to raise by maybe at least an inch. So that's gonna be on the agenda for another day. I'm tired, but shouldn't look too much different because it's tucking tire and you'll just basically see a little bit more tire on the front, but it looks really good, I think. I'm very happy with this decision, and you know, I'm just happy with the car, the way the car is. I don't really have much else to say to that. I just like the way it looks. I'm very satisfied, basically. So basically, next steps would be to roll the front fenders and just make sure everything is working fine, because I do have to drive this car to work. And now that I have the wider wheels, I do want to be able to get a little bit more aggressive with driving and things like that. So yeah, that'll be a project for probably tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to film it though. You guys have seen plenty of fender rolling, and it's just going to be like me working to get my wheels to fit better. So I'm not going to do anything with that, I don't think. But yeah, don't miss out on the live stream tomorrow morning. If this video goes up tonight, which is Friday night, I'm gonna try to get it up right away. If not, I hope you enjoyed the live stream, if you watched it, I don't know. So yeah, wheels are done, tires are done, we're good to go. Super exciting stuff. I'm very, very excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, leave your likes, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.